guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gillian, and today I am doing a get ready with me for Thanksgiving. So I'm going over to my aunt's place for Thanksgiving dinner, and I'm going to get my hair done, makeup done, and nails done. Yes, I'm getting everything done today, and it's currently 3 o'clock and I have to be there by 5. So let's see how fast I can go. But anywho, subscribe to this channel, please, and thank you so much for all my returning subscribers. This video is going to be very detailed. I'll try to go as detailed as I can in everything I do. But yeah, my wig is here. I'm still about to curl it, so I guess we're gonna start with hair and then my makeup and then my nails. I do my nails last because they're press on and they're long and I can't do anything with nails, so I do my nails last. But let's get right into it, and please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and I'll see you guys soon.
Now I'm going to start with styling the hair. I pretty much just define my part using the Slick Me Down wax stick, which is currently on sale, so make sure you grab yours today before the sale expires at midnight. I just create the part, press it down with my hot comb, and as you can see, I didn't use too much of the wax stick, but it goes a long way to make my wig super flat. Press on with a hot comb at the highest heat if it's a black wig, and at a low heat if it's a colored wig. And I just do my hair in sections, and I am going to start curling. If you need a detailed video on how I curl, let me know, but so far I'm just going to show you guys a little bit, and we're going to go on with the video. Now the wig is all styled. I finished curling it off camera, and I'm just going to brush my edges back, and I'm not wearing a wig cap underneath my wigs because I kind of started hating wig caps. Put your foundation underneath the wig, the lace, and I'm just going to throw that thing on. I'm not gluing this wig down, I'm wearing it glueless, so all I do is adjust it, and then I'm going to take a remote bands and clip the hair back and just put that on. The Velcro helps you put it on super easy. I'm going to moisturize my hands with our Jif Cosmetic Buddy Butter. Y'all, this is life. See how shiny my hands got? Like, really so nice. Again, everything's in sale right now, so make sure you go on and grab yours before the sale ends at midnight. Now let's get into my makeup. I'm not a makeup artist, so I'm not even going to talk you guys through what I'm doing here, but y'all, child, just watch, because, honey, I was trying to shape my brows. I don't know if it came out right. I tried to fill in the brows, conceal them, put foundation. Y'all, girl, just watch, because I'm not even going to try to sit here and talk to you guys about how to do makeup, because I am not a makeup artist. I did not know a lot about makeup. I started wearing makeup because I saw lashes. And I am liking it. I'm learning, but yeah, until my makeup's that good, y'all are just gonna have to watch this, okay? Sis, if you struggle to put your lashes on, get this glue pen I'm using right here. This is amazing. Like, I literally put jawline on and stick them lashes on. Like, I don't have to do too much. Like, you don't have to be a makeup artist to do this. Like, this is the best. And this glue pen's on sale. Get one now. Y'all, I was running late, so all I did was buff my nails, push my cuticles back, shaped them, and then I'm using the Kiss brush and glue. So all I do is I brush the glue on the nail, brush the glue on the fake nail too, and then I press both of them together. Hold it on for about 10 seconds. This is what will help your nails stay on longer. Y'all, it's been days and these nails have not popped out. So the secret is pressing it on for so long, and voila, that's it. So I'm just going to press on the other one. I like to do one nail on this hand, one nail on the other hand, so I can get up to my pinky, and I don't have so many nails to worry about, because these can get tricky to work with. So yes, I'm just going to keep doing that. I already picked out the nails because this set was a 24 piece set, so I just picked out the nails that match each hand before I started pressing them on. So I just pick them, press them on, again put the brush on the glue on my nail and on the fake nail and press both of them together. That's pretty much all I did to get my nails done. I like these nails because they're already styled before I get them, so I already know the style I'm getting, and I like it, and it doesn't take so much time. Like, these nails, I've put my nails on at an airport before, you guys. Like, it's that easy. You can get your nails done anywhere and very fast. Another thing, if you use press-on nails, please walk with your glue everywhere, okay? And thank me later, okay? Bye.
Hey guys, so this is the final look. This is the hair. I kind of run my hands through the curls so they're like a lot looser and have more body to them. Makeup is okay. Got my nails finally done. I'm loving these nails, you guys. I can't believe I got these from Shein. Like, press-on nails now be it. Like, oh, sis. Anywho, if you like this video, thank you so much. Please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it, and please do me a favor and drop down in the comments below what kind of videos you would like me to do for you guys. Again, I had fun doing this. I like doing this. So if you guys will like to see, I don't know, how I get ready to go to work, that's like a 2-minute video, I would think, because I literally get ready in 2 minutes. Like, I don't wear makeup to work, and my wigs are, again, glueless, like this one is glueless. I wear glueless wigs to work. Nails, I really don't. Yeah, I really don't. So if I'm doing a get ready with me to go to work, that would be like a 2-second video. Cause like legit, and that's how it should be. Like, you want glueless wigs because you don't want to take too long in the morning getting ready. So if you want glueless wigs, again, just shop from Gancy fame. We are having a Black Friday sale. Hopefully you get this video out before the sale is over. But the sale is from the 26th to the 28th. So if you catch this video when the sale is still going on, cup your wig, okay? Because all of our wigs will be $75 off. We have accessories like the bonnet I wore that are going to be up to 50% off. So, and these bonnets are going to be available in black, gold, and purple, like the purple one you saw me wear. Y'all, you have amazing stuff. Again, the eyeliner pen, the glue you saw me use, the lashes I'm putting on currently, everything, okay? You can get your hair and hair accessories and pretty much glam accessories from us, okay? So go ahead, shop with us, share this again, subscribe, and help me, please. When you like the video, I know you guys like this and it encourages me to do it more of these. So please like and please subscribe. If you're watching my videos and you're not subscribing, what have I done to you? Like, seriously, like, did I offend you? No. Please, it's okay. You don't have to watch if you don't want to subscribe. Like, it's fine. Don't watch. But I mean, like, why wouldn't you watch? And why? I spilled the tea for you guys for free. It's free. Just hit that button downstairs. Just hate it. Should you want me to speak like a Nigerian or in Pidgin? Please hit that button right here and subscribe. It helps me, really encourages me to keep doing this, because trust me, it's hard. That's why I've been gone for months and find it hard to come back, because the views are hurting. So yeah, but please, again, that's why I'm asking you guys to let me know what kind of videos you guys would like me to do for you guys, so I can do videos you would want to watch. So come on, tell me, what kind of videos do you want to watch? What do you want to learn about hair? Because that's kind of the only thing I think I'm good at. But yeah, if you want me to do more videos about business, like how I run my business. Oh, I could do a day in the life of an entrepreneur, but it's kind of mixed because I have work and business. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll do like a weekend, because on weekends I do only business stuff. So anyways, we are going to see how that goes. But please, again, if you like Get Ready With Me videos like this, let me know. If you want to see any tutorials specifically, let me know. And oh, before I forget, January I'm doing wig making classes. Wig making, wig styling, wig coloring, everything about wigs in one. I'll be doing classes. So y'all let me know what y'all want to learn. But yeah, I'm going to teach you guys pretty much all I know. Again, I'm self-taught. I kind of taught myself all of these. So, and I've been doing hair for over 2.5 years now. So I kind of know what I'm doing. I mean, I can slay me, I can slay people. So yeah, I kind of know what I'm doing. But yeah, I will start teaching people how to make wigs. Yeah, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put it right here. Follow me on Instagram, because that's where I'm going to post the flyer when I start doing the classes. But anyways, thank you guys so much. I love y'all, and until next time, okay? Enjoy those little videos I did from Thanksgiving. But I'll see you guys. Thank you.